Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back to another edition of the MakeCode Arcade live stream. I'm Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Daryl at Darzu on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J1ville on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Shannon at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
Nice.
And are we not saying advanced anymore? Or just MakeCode Arcade live stream now?
I don't know. I've been saying things. I'm open to being advanced or not, but there's no beginner anymore, is there?
That's true. Yeah, maybe we should just cut it.
And MakeCode Arcade live sounds so like flashy. And also that's what our banner says. But yeah, we're making this game again that we started yesterday. And if you weren't here yesterday, like Daryl, don't worry, I'll tell you what this game's about. So basically, you are a deer. You're a doe, a female deer, because you have small horns. And you work at this used car? I don't know, car dealership. And a bunch of woodland creatures are going to come in and be like, I need a car, but my back is pokey. So I need a car whose seats I won't poke holes in. And then you got to go look in your car lot. And you got to check out the different cars you have and see the different properties, like how much it costs, the size, what is M2's meter squared, color, speed, and material spelled. And then you got to match that up to the proper animal and then decide if you want to sell it to them or not. And what we have left to do so far is first I want to make the menu. Oh, why won't this work? Okay, we can only sell one car.
When did you name them? Did that happen last stream and I missed that? Or
no, I did that by myself. I was gonna do it's Keith Hedger or like hedgehog, but is it a hedgehog or a porcupine? I can't remember.
Hedgehog now.
Right. So I feel like the hard thing. Okay, we have two big things to do. One is going to be queuing up more woodland creatures after we sell them one. And another one's going to be deciding if the car you sold to the animal is good or bad. So I did some work in between yesterday's stream and today, such as giving, oh my gosh, where did it go? I can't read these. New woodland creatures, giving the woodland creatures a thing to say. I need a car that's comfortable enough for me to sit in and relatively cheap, because this customer is frugal. And then, materials will be felt. Okay, and then I gave them a name. I don't know, I thought it'd be cute. And then I also added a menu somewhere. Okay, let's expand everything. I can't do the Daryl thing because I can, oh my gosh, never remember what's what. Get line for spec. Oh yeah, I tried to like format the words so that they'd be like split lines, but it didn't seem to like that. So sell menu, aha. So I made a menu and there's 3 parts to it. I imported Daryl's text sprite edition. Or maybe I don't appreciate the text sprite extension because it's like it's too essential. And then I just take it for granted. You know, like lots of things in life. Anyway, text sprite extension. I made a title sprite, which is gonna be like sell to and then the name and then the 2 options. And then we also set like a Boolean to be like, is it the menu? And if it is, our button presses do different things. So I guess I'll start here. And I don't know, I feel like it didn't think forward enough for this. Okay, is sell menu. Okay, so let's decide if there. Also, if you want to make a woodland creature to sell cars to, feel free.
Ooh, yes. What's been made already?
Okay, let's take a look at the art. Here we go. We have the hedgehog from before, Joey Sloth, a badger by Richard, and a standing bear. And also,
this is so good. Okay, I'll find one.
If you want to come up with their names, their requests, and the different properties, and also an ideal car for them, that would be great. Everybody else, you still have homework too. Not just me working today. Okay, so if sell menu, and then if okay, so we have a variable that's menu selection, and that'll be either yes or no. defined by Vivian. And if it's yes text, then what do we gotta do? We got to sell the car. So we'll make a new function. Sell car. And then, how do we get the car that we're currently on? I'll deal with that later. I'm just gonna put everything where I want it to be, and then I'll fill things in later. So I'm gonna call,
You can loop over all the cars and then see if you're over which one you're overlapping.
Oh, okay, cool. Sell car, and then that's gonna like add a comment. That's gonna evaluate if the customer is happy. Make this comment bigger. Also, I don't want you guys to feel like I'm ignoring you, but my computer is here and the camera I'm streaming to is here too. So don't feel sad. Okay, evaluate if the customer is happy. Destroy the car. We'll put that here. And then another function we're gonna do is make the woodland creature leave. So set customer velocity to be like 200 and it'll leave off screen. And then pause. It's okay to put pause in a button, right?
Yep. It'll just make it so that button event won't run until the pause finishes.
Oh, nice. Okay, and then let's call another woodland creature. New woodland creature. Oh, also, I think I have a level variable. So let's change the level by 1. And then we'll queue up the next woodland creature. Where is that? I put a lot of functions in that I ended up not using. New woodland creature. Aha. So if level equals 1, where is it? Okay, and otherwise, let's say like done for the day. Time to go home. Done for the day. Time to go home. And else is if level equals 1.
And my hoofs are killing me.
My hooves are killing me. Okay, who is next? Let's bring out the sloth. The sloth has a need for speed. Wants to go fast. Buy a race car. Okay, and then what is it gonna say? Joey, what should the sloth say?
If they buy a race car, that they like fire and speed. Well, maybe that's too obvious.
I
That's
love.
fine.
I want a car that reflects my love of fire and speed. Poor sloth. Okay, so cost can be high, like 100 acorns. And then, so my plan was we're going to set the data for the things that they care about. And if it's nothing, then we're like, we don't really mind this when we're evaluating. But if it's something, then we got to evaluate how far we are from that. So let's do speed. And how speedy was that car?
Super.
Oh, right. It's like on a scale of 0 to 9. So to 8. And it has to be over. And we can just evaluate it on a case-by-case basis. So let's sell a car to Keith Hedger and then see if we get a new woodland creature. Okay, that didn't work. What's going on A button pressed? Where's my A button pressed? Okay, if cell mute menu, if menu selection equals yes text, I'm gonna just have something be said here just to make sure we're running this. Car salesperson, say yes, and then we sell the car. else. Say no. Yes. Okay. So something weird is going on. Did I not set the customer? So new woodland creature. Let's see where that is. Oh, maybe I should. Wait, I know what's wrong. Where's my A button pressed? Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. Change level by 1 at the end. Wait, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, new willing creature. If customer.
Yeah. Could you go back to your on A button press?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll have the customer say this.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Thank you. Oh, okay, don't be mad. Salty Keith Hedger. Yes. Okay. Set customer velocity. Oh, because it's following still. Gonna unfollow that.
Oh, yep, that's it.
I was having it follow the desk. The thing I'm most excited about doing later is making the floaty guy sprite. I feel like that'd be fun to. Where's the follow? Follow.
The floaty guy sprite?
Yeah, like in the front of the car sailor ship.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like that will really add. Oh, here it is. To the ambiance. Okay.
Surely those things have a name.
What is it? I really wanted to be that for Halloween, but I couldn't find a good way to power air through my body and not have to be like connected to a wall.
Noodle dude, spaghetti guy.
Wait, that's what it's called?
Probably
It
not.
says tube man, sky dancer, air dancer, or wacky wavy inflatable arm flailing tube man. Those are all listed as equivalent terms.
Amazing.
What kind of
name
animal
is
would that
not
be?
accurate.
Maybe a grass animal? Sell to Keith Hedger. Yes. Okay, slots here. I'm pretty sure the sell menu only pops up once. Should probably figure that. Oh yeah, destroy inhabit. I gotta destroy the slot.
I think you can just set destroy on walls and it should work.
Nice. Set customer destroy on wall. True. Okay. And then should I fig? Cool. We have another slot. Let's figure out. Done for the day. Time to go. My hooves are killing me. Okay. Figure out why we aren't seeing the menu again. On overlaps. Oh, I never set cell menu to false. That's why. Set is cell menu to false. And then we'll see another menu again, maybe. Oh, no. Okay, I'll put that not just in the yes, it has to be everywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay. Also, the sloth needs a name. I forgot about this. Sloth Flash. Okay. And let's add in all the customers.
Oh wait,
first.
is that the name of that's the name of the sloth from Zootopia? Never mind.
No, that's illegal. Flash Sloth. Flash
Jordan. Oh, that might be something. Let me.
No, Flash Jordan is
Cool.
nothing.
Perfect.
What's Flash Gordon?
It was like an old time superhero.
It's savior of the universe.
True. There was a
Okay.
Queen song about him. Well, there was a movie and Queen did the music.
Oh. Okay, so what should the badger say? Also, the badger needs a name. Richard, have you been planning for this? Badger.
No, I haven't.
Okay. You want me to come back to this? And then I'll add in the last, right? You have
Yeah, no,
20 seconds. Gotta do some copy and pasting. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Feel like this game has a lot of heavy character creation. Gotta flex these muscles. Okay, we got the bear. Richard, you made the bear too, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What
Richard,
badger
you can
facts do you
ask
have?
questions if you want, but if you have one, you should go.
No, go ahead.
Let's see. Boar the Fighter, Ron Blade Wide Stripe, Constance, Lord Brocktree.
Ron Blade White Stripe, please. And Lord Brocktree, don't try to sneak that one by me.
And what does the badger desire from a car?
Wait, these are all names of characters from.
Yes.
What is happening? What is going on in this chat? Explain
Is it
yourself.
Redwall?
Redwall. These are all Redwall badgers.
Okay. Okay, so if you are a Redwall
I only
badger,
recognize Constance and Lord Brocktree, but those two were
I'm
enough.
impressed. I didn't remember any of them. I had to look it up.
maybe you want a brown car. Oh no, you want a red car, reminding you of your Redwall days. So I want a car that reminds me of home. Redwall. Otherwise,
Abbey.
what?
Redwall Abbey.
Okay, cool. I never read Redwall. Is Abbey with an E or with a Y?
EY.
EY.
Yeah, you had it.
Okay, cool. And then let's bring out a number data color. And let's open this up to see what red is. Red is 2. So color has to be 2. And then,
I've got a name for the bear.
yeah.
Bartholomew.
Bartholomew. That's perfect. Okay, I see something in chat. Is it from Daryl? It is from
Yes, I
Daryl.
put a creature.
Great. Copy this. Oh wait, I'll copy over the code first.
Let's see. What size is that image? Yeah.
It's 16 by 24.
Cool. 16 by 24. Smaller than a bear. I'm gonna guess it's a turtle. A turtle. Oh!
Oh man.
Okay, let's add another spot in for our. What's the difference between a rabbit and a bunny?
Nothing.
Okay, cool. Or
I think
no, a
a bunny
hare.
is an affectionate term.
Hares are big.
Oh, yes, and fast.
Okay, so what's the rabbit's name?
And
Put it in chat.
Oh,
It's
Fran.
the hares live in Salamandastron.
The name is Francis McFlufflin. Needs lots of storage for carrots. Need a cart with plenty of storage for my carrots. And so this one is going to be a property of size. We need at least 4 seats.
Should it be an orange lima? Orange lima?
Oh, yeah. Let's have the color be orange. Love it. So So let's see what color orange is.
I think at
4.
some point we should do like a reunion game that pulls all of Daryl's rabbit and cat characters back. One.
Are they all friendly with each other, or is this like a fighting game?
I think it'll depend on the game. We'll see.
I do think it'd be super fun now that we have your, exporting sprites and stuff. Maybe we could like take all the streams, export all the characters, and just have some massive medley of of characters. Maybe that one where it's like you're trying to find your friend. It's just a sea of characters.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so we've brought in all the characters. Now let's evaluate our business, see if we're good at selling cars and choosing them. So array of sprites, kind, car, and we're gonna make a new variable, or we're gonna set the car if it's the one that we're overlapping with. So overlaps. Car salesperson overlaps with car. Then set this car to be value. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna see if it's good. So we're gonna go over all the properties on the animal, the customer, and see if it exists. And if it exists, we need to decide if we did a good job compared to the car's stats. So let's do this for 1 first. Oh gosh, I pulled out the wrong one. Let's do it as number. What do we do? Colors are pretty. Wait, okay. Let's see for the hedgehog. Cost. Let's do cost. So if customer data cost, and to check if it exists, I have to put it in a variable, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. If I'll set this to ideal cost. Ideal cost. If ideal cost exists, then we're gonna judge to see if it's good. So should this be, do you guys think it should be like the farthest away from the car cost is like how we judge, or if it's less than the car cost? Does that make sense?
Yeah. I think the sloth would want a really expensive car. He'd be pretty upset if you gave him a cheap one, so he wouldn't want to.
Oh, I see.
If you're a big spender, you don't want to get a cheap car.
True. You right. Okay, so we're gonna evaluate based on the car's actual value compared to the one we wanted, and we want to keep that number small. So, and how should we do the rating system? Should we just do it like out of how many of the properties that is? But like that's how many. Oh, then they give you a rating, a star rating, and it'll be like this many stars.
Yes, I love that. Like a Yelp review.
Yeah. What would it be called in the forest? Do all animals Yelp? That's not what I want. Comparison. Okay, so the difference between this and the absolute value. Absolute of, and then let's fetch it on the car as number. Okay. And let's get the ideal cost. And then get, I guess we don't need to make this verb. I'll just put it here. I'll just put it out of the for loop. And then we're gonna get this cart. Data cost as number minus ideal cost, absolute, so that'll get us the distance from that. And then if it's less than, how far away can it be? 5,000? 5 acorns? Let's check out how much. Okay, so the hedgehog wants a car that's 13 acorns or less. And let's see which car that would be. Acorns. Oh my goodness, 103. No way. Okay, 11. That'll be good. So we'll sell the hedgehog the Prius.
He has a name.
Keith Hedger. I don't know who Keith Ledger is actually. It's just a word I have in my head.
Heath Ledger was an actor.
Oh, Heath Ledger, really? Oh, I thought I got the first one right. Okay. New variable, stars earned. So stars earned to 0. Change stars earned by 1. Okay. And we're gonna do this for all the properties. But okay, let's just display the stars. So in my A button press, no. Yes, in the A button press? No, I'll put in soul car. And then I don't want to make a new function. That's going to be too much work. Let's make a new text sprite. Text sprite. Text sprite. New variable. Yelp review.
Maybe let's.
What should we call it?
Customer satisfaction.
Customer satisfaction. And it's going to be their name plus the words left a review. So let's get the customer name as a string. Customer data name space left a review. And then, oh, actually, I'll call my function for this. I made a function. Text formatter, no. Isn't it my, oh my goodness. New menu item? I think it's called new menu item. And it's gonna be this join block. And then we're gonna position, wait, and then you get the round one. New menu item, this one. Set it, make a new sprite. Text, review, sprite. Should be this. Wait, no, that's not good. I don't think so. And then set this one to be here in the center. And then we're gonna position, I'm just gonna have it say it. Yeah. New variable, stars earned. Oh no. Text, stars earned to be this. And it's going to be out of 5 stars. And it's going to be stars earned as a number. Do I have to say join? Is the 0 fixed? Maybe I'll just do
yeah, I think it's fixed.
Okay, cool. Oh.
I'm sure Joey fixed it.
I'm not running beta.
0 for sprite say? Yeah, it should be fixed.
Oh, okay, cool. Then this is unnecessary. I'll take this out and put this in. Okay, out of 5 stars. And then I should, well, let's see what happens. Yes. Oh, okay, that's fast. I will make a pause for 2 seconds. Also, I'm going to give a background to the labels because it's too hard to read right now. Where is it though? New menu item. Nice. Okay, let's drag this over. Wait, is there a background? Is there a background? Oh yes, I can.
The plus?
Nice. Let's see how this looks. Yes. Oh no, what happened? Out of 5 star. Okay, I think I do need to have that because this is not beta. So text, convert to text. We're going to convert this number to text, and then let's see. 40 acorns, sell to Keith Hedger, yes. Leftover review, 0 out of 5 stars. Too bad. Also, we got to make sure that the text is super tall. So I'm going to set the text sprite Z to be like 200. Text sprite Z. Can you hear the yard work being done?
Nope.
Oh, interesting. Nope. I thought they knew that I was streaming, so they were like, ah, yes, the perfect time.
Are they often trying to foil your plans?
Very often, yeah. Okay, let's do all the other properties. So what's next? Over. Ideal color. Ideal color. This one should just be exact. There's no close and color grenades. I don't remember how that saying goes.
Was it no close in horseshoes and hand grenades?
Accepted.
What did you say?
It's like, oh, go for it.
I was going to say she was correct. You were correcting me, but yes.
Nice. Okay. Change stars earned by 1. So we did cost, we did color, we got to do speed. This one should be a comparison, I think. You can't complain if your car is super speedy.
If it's too fast, you just press it down less.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. And you with speed, it's always one of those things where it's like you think you don't need it, but then you're like trying to merge onto the highway, and you're like super grateful that your car is zippy. Speed. Okay, so we don't want the absolute. We just want a straight up comparison, and we want to see if the car's speed is greater than our ideal speed. Oh no, ideal speed. Wow, it's so easy now. What else is left? Material. Oh, I want as a string. And I do want one of these though. Also, I realized today that the set sprite is just the variable thing with the sprite creation inside it. Ideal material to be this car. It's getting to that point where there's so many variables in the list that none of it means anything anymore. I'm scrolling through, I'm like, what was I here for again? If. Oh wait, I messed up. There should be a wrapping around this. If. Ideal speed. Ideal speed. And then, okay, ideal color, ideal cost. Got to do that for ideal material. We got to add another if. Oh man, is this the best way to do it? Am I doing this in a bad way?
I think it's okay.
Okay.
I mean, I don't really know how else he would do it, so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, because you have a different kind of comparison for each one. So I think you do have to split them out.
Fun with if functions. I don't know. Fun with comparisons. If ideal material is equal, wait, this card, this is wrong. This goes over here. Customer material as string, change it by 1. What's left? Size. Okay, and size is going to be like speed. We'll just put it here. This is gonna confuse me. Oh my gosh. Ideal size. Wait, how many stars are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4? Oh. This card. Ideal size. Ideal size. Then if the ideal size, okay, if the car is bigger than the ideal size, then that's good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That worked out. Perfect. 5 stars is pretty standard, unless if you're talking about restaurants. Okay, and then
should it add a point when the ideal one is not specified by default?
You right. Let's do that. If you aren't picky as a customer, it's not our fault that you might have any car. You gotta specify what you want.
I think it wants to be the outer. We want it to be the outer one, not the inner one.
Yes, thank you, Joey. I was gonna do that for every single one. So big. Okay. Where did it go? Oh no. It's up here. And this one. Joey, what kind of car do you have?
I got a Jetta right now.
Oh.
Volkswagen.
It sounds
Blends
super
in.
fast, right? Because it's a Jetta.
Oh, it does sound super fast. You are right.
Do you have to go
It's
to
got
a
a Jetta engine.
You have to go to an airport to fuel that thing up, or
Oh yeah. They do the flying thing where they like refuel in the air, except it's the plane flying on top
What?
and just hooking into the car. It's really fancy.
while you're driving?
Yeah, of course. You
What
don't want
happens
it
if
to
you go
stop.
through a tunnel?
Don't go through a tunnel while you're refilling.
Okay, I'm going to destroy the things here. Come out.
But if an evil villain ever took over the plane that was refueling you as you were driving, perfect time for a tunnel.
Mm-hmm.
But like, so do you have to route your trip so that you can there's a like a switch point where you could go down a tunnel road versus a non-tunnel road?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Ideally, you want to be on a bridge too, probably, so that there's like minimum surrounding things.
Mm.
Okay, so here's the situation. The formatting with the cars sometimes is not ideal, and it calls it again really fast. Oh no. But we have to implement the thing where we can talk to the animals. So I'm just gonna do that first and then fix those problems. Also, I'm gonna have them stop saying yes or no. Oh, I like the yes, that's cute. Oh. Thanks. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yes, on overlaps of sprite player with the customer. Joey, what do you look for in a car?
Hot rod flames.
Nice.
Got it.
Is that on your car?
Oh, I imagine it is. Maybe in in Forza, maybe.
Mm.
You could have said anything, Joey.
Could have.
Okay,
Also, I
so what
think this means if someone mails you like stick-on decals of flames, you have to put them on your car, Joey.
Oh my goodness,
do?
Joey. I'm gonna get a
I
sticker
don't know if
machine.
that's how it works. Well, if you get like a sticker machine like this size, I can put a little sticker on.
I mean, we'll take the YouTube recording of this video to court, Joey.
What's going on? Oh, it's overlapping a lot. That's something that's going on. what should I do? I feel like there's something. Should I change the kind? Or I feel like I had to deal with this with the cars too, where it's just like calling the overlaps over and over and over again.
I think you could change the kind. You're not really using customer kind anywhere else, right?
But what if we want to ask them again?
Oh, that's
So
true.
then what you should do is you should use a queue thing,
Mhm.
and then you do queue action say, and you turn it ghost, and then you queue another action that's turn ghost off. So then when it's done, it'll stop being a ghost.
But maybe we should put a pause in so we can move away from it.
Yeah, if you want, but that next queue story part won't happen until it's done typing it. So yeah, you can put a pause if you want.
Okay. So we put the ghost in the next one.
You want to put a ghost in the first one and set ghost to true, and then you also want to set it to be false.
Okay.
And then
Cool.
in the next one.
I feel like we use the Q story part a lot, but I still like don't really understand when it's like what things will
Yeah.
pop.
I'm trying to, so basically anything that happens in the queue story part, like the next queue story part thing, will not run until the first one is complete.
So did this call it a lot because it was overlap? Why did it run twice? I need a car. Wait, this is cool. Okay, can I do this for the car thing too?
So I think the reason it went twice is because you should move that set ghost on out of the queue story part. You want to run that immediately.
I see.
And then the set off can stay where it is.
Okay. I need a car that's comfortable enough for me to sit in and relatively cheap. Relative to what? These are acorns. We have no idea what this world is. 40 acorns. Sell to Keith Hedger? No. 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 There's too many cars. No. Okay, Prius. 11 acorns. Okay, sell. 5 out of 5 stars. Love. Okay. I want a car that reflects my love of fire and speed. Okay, I'll do that for you. I know just the car. This one. 4 out of 5 stars. Why? Okay, he needs to check his expectations. Also, one thing I need to do is destroy the car. So on A button pressed, destroy car.
What if instead of destroying it, you set its velocity to be, negative in the y direction, so it just goes zoop.
I love.
Or
Okay.
runs into the other car.
Oh no. Okay. Set. Okay, so this is selling car. I'm going to check to see if it's an up car or a down car. I guess I can do that by doing math from my tile map. Oh my gosh, what a journey to this part of the code. So if this is, okay, this is 4 out of 5, so 5 times 16, 600? 560? I'm gonna go with 560 and hope that works. Where's my 8? Yeah.
You said 5 times 16?
Yep.
So 80?
Oh no, I was so off. Okay. So if we're gonna get the cars Y, this car's Y is less than 80, we're gonna set the Y velocity, nope, Y velocity of this car to be negative 90, so it zoops off.
So you have -8 there, or sorry. Less
Thank
than 8.
you. Okay. Let's see these cars zoop. Okay, wait. So. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, let's see this one zoop. Yes. Cool, okay, I'll have that one go
Nice.
first. That's cute.
I think if you put auto destroy and ghost,
Yeah. Okay,
and
I'll
then
do
that way you don't collide with them to sell them again.
Yes, good idea. Okay, if it's yes text, then we'll have it go, and then we'll have sprites. We're gonna have two things. We'll have ghost to be true. This car, and then auto destroy. What's the difference between auto destroy and destroy on wall?
Auto destroy will destroy when it's out of the camera.
Oh. Yes. Oh no. Oh, I pulled it too far up. Might be. Wait. On A button press. Oh, this should be in cell car. And then this one. Okay. Cool. Everything is where it should be. I want a car that reflects my love of fire and speed. Cool. The badger's not coming over. That's fine. I want a car that reminds me of home. Redwall Abbey. So it has to be red. Let's make a car. Okay, so now I'm going to make cars for all the animals. So everybody has the potential to be happy. It's just up to us to make sure we find it for them. Where is that? Cell car. Okay, I'm going to do this. Format code. No, collapse blocks. Format code. And I'm going to read the words on the screen. Create cars. Yes. Great. Okay. New car. Okay, and the sloth wants something super fast. Do I remember what these numbers mean? No. Let's drag out the new car function. Where is it? Here.
I think it was cost.
Cost, size, color, speed.
Nice.
Yeah.
How did you remember that? It was from
I remember
yesterday.
it because I read the little preview on the function while it was collapsed.
Yep.
Okay. The speed is going to be super speedy, 9, that's fine. But okay, it's basically the same as the other one, except it's red.
This one's for the badger.
This one's for the sloth.
Oh,
Oh, wait, yeah, the badger. You're right. So it's the key center. That's fine. You can have this one. Oh, I know what the issue is. It's because this is purple and it should be white. And that'll fix it. Fix this one too. Okay. Okay, then we'll make sure everybody has what they need. Okay, you have the Prius. Okay, I don't know how to deal with that. I want a car that reflects my love of fire and speed. This one. So, yes, so you're in trouble if you sell the red one. That'll be rough. Badger. I want a car that reminds me of home. Redwall Abbey. Yes.
The unmatched parentheses are really getting to me.
Okay, I'll fix that. I need a hefty car. This one. Yes. I'll make the bear van though. Oh, so cute.
Oh, we need the orange.
Oh, right. An orange car. I'll do that. Okay, let's fix the parentheses first.
That one was good.
Where is it? Game update.
Also, it
Woodland.
looks like our characters are sort of running off to the right.
Uh-huh.
What they could do is follow the car that's speeding off. You know.
Yeah.
If you want to be fancy, could we walk to the car, get in the car and then set the speed for the car?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
I think
So
if
that's
you do
probably-
a follow and then a destroy and set speed, that should work.
Yeah.
If you follow the
Right.
car and
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna have a combination of my A button code and the cell card. So first, if we're gonna do it, we're gonna have the customer follow. Oh no, where did that come from? Okay, pull out this one. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't need this one anymore. Don't need this one anymore. And we'll have the customer follow the car here.
You could change the kind of the car to a sold car, and then when it collides with a sold car, destroy it and do the whole thing. I don't know. if
That's
the fastest.
beautiful. I love it. Set this car, kind, to new kind, sold car. This might be sold car. And then let's do the overlaps. On overlaps of kind, customer with sold car, destroy the customer. And then maybe I'll have the car set the velocity there.
Yeah, you could just drag that
I love
that
it.
ghost auto destroy velocity code.
I love. So good. Oh no. Okay. Auto destroy. And then this one. Okay, and then sold car. Don't really need to do this, but it makes more sense to do this. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, let's talk to you. I need a car that's comfortable enough for me to sit in. Okay, let's.
Awesome.
That's so good.
Okay, I think one thing I want to do is if you have a condition and you don't fulfill it, you minus stars. You'll be angry. Okay, or is that too much? Okay, 7 minutes. Okay, do we want to prioritize something else over that?
I mean, that's just a couple of things. We can do that while we're thinking of something.
5. Okay, think of something, and then, yeah. I'll do
We
that.
could conclude the game somehow. Once all the customers are done, you do some sort of like, your total stars or something. Your average.
Ooh.
See if you earn enough stars and acorns to survive the winter.
Oh no. Poor dear. Also, we need to make an orange car for the bunny. Oh no. Okay. -1. And then I'll set it to the max of this and 0. Because that would be set if you had negative stars. Set stars earned, QRST, stars earned, to be the maximum of 0 and stars earned. And then let's make an orange car. 6 minutes. Oh my goodness. Where is it? Who knows? Create cars. Here we go. Should I make it? Oh, it'll be a Prius. But it's not long enough. Okay, I'll make a new kind of Prius. So make this 35. And the marquee tool. Do some surgery. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. This is looking like a limo again. Fix it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Bucket. Pit. And then this one. Oh, the lights need to be changed to yellow too. And then I'll fix you by erasing you. And then change this to yellow. give you an outline. Oh no, that's fine. There's no time for perfection. Gotta sell cars. Okay, I already forgot what these are. Cost, it's a Prius, 11. Size is 3. Color is orange.
4.
4. Thank you. Who said 2?
I said 2. I was wrong. I knew it was next to the pink, and I know the pink is 3.
And material could be cloth. Okay, let's see the orange card. No. Oh, wait. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. If this is a mess. Oh no. You didn't get destroyed. What's going on with you? Did I destroy it when I have it overlaps? Oh, an overlaps of kind. It worked one time, right? I'm not crazy.
Worked when I looked at it.
So.
Maybe the overlap event's not running anymore?
Oh, okay. Something was blocking
I
it.
think it overlapped you. Maybe if you change the customer.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Satisfied customer.
Oh, yes. I like that.
Oh, it's because you turned it into a ghost when it started talking to you. So yeah, you need to change the kind to satisfied customer,
Okay.
and then it will.
Regardless of how many stars we get, it will be satisfied.
And then also probably set ghost off just to be safe.
Yeah. Customer kind to satisfied customer. I feel like I had to type satisfied somewhere else. Okay, and then we'll set.
Customer satisfaction.
These mean different things. And then ghost off to be customer. Okay, everything's gonna work. It's gonna be great.
Well, you need to change the overlap now to be satisfied customer.
You're right. And do I need to unghost? No, it's right. Okay.
No, you're good.
It's good. Let's go. Okay, sell you the Prius. I'm good at my game. Okay, I want a car. I'll sell you this car. Great. I don't know how to make that say goes away. Okay, Badger. I want.
Did I add that or not, Shannon? Do you remember? The clear all say.
Oh, I don't remember.
I need a hefty car. Oh.
Why are they stopping so high up all of a sudden?
Oh, I didn't tell them to follow the desk. I'll put
okay.
that there, yeah. And then one thing, there's something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, deal with the words. But it's already 2, so I'll clean this up, and it'll be really fast, and then it'll be great. Good luck selling cars. Thanks for joining us on this live stream. I'm Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Daryl at Darzu on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey at JWonderl on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Shannon at Chakao on the MakeCode forums.
Bye. Oh, make games for traffic jam.
Yeah, this is traffic. Yeah,
Yes.